Addition means to join things, and for addition we have a couple of rules of operation. The first one is the rule of commutativity. It says that it doesn't matter in which order we add numbers. So for example, if I have 2 plus 3, that's equal to 3 plus 2. Or I could have a rational number, 2/3 plus 4/5. It's the same as if I have 4/5 and add 2/3. So that's the commutative rule. For addition. And then we have also associative rule. For addition. And that says that if you have three numbers, A, B, and C, it doesn't matter if we add the two first numbers first, or the two last numbers first. So in both cases we get the same number. So therefore we don't have to write out parentheses. We can just write A plus B plus C, because it doesn't matter where we put the parentheses, here or here. So for example, if I have 2 plus 3 plus 4, what is that? Then I should add these two first. That's 5 plus 4, that's 9. But if I instead add the two last numbers first, that's 2 plus 7, that's also 9. So it doesn't matter if I do it in this way or the other way. So that's associative rule for addition. And as we have touched upon here already, parentheses means that indicates in which order we should do things. So for example, 2 plus 3 times 4 means that we should first add these together. So this means 5 times 4. So if I write instead, we would have written 2 plus 3 times 4 and put the parentheses here. Then it means a different order of doing things. Then we should do first the parentheses here, 12. So that will become 14. And this will become 20. So we see it matters where I put the parentheses. But of course, in this special case here, it doesn't matter where I put the parentheses. And that's associative rule for addition. But it doesn't always hold that it doesn't matter where I put the parentheses. So a parenthesis says what you should do first, and it indicates an whole. You should look at it as a whole. So you shouldn't just multiply 4 with 3. You should multiply 4 with the whole thing. So that's the parenthesis. And there are some priority rules. So for example, if I have 2 plus 3 times 4, it means, priority rules means I should do the multiplication first. So this implicitly means that I have a parenthesis here. It does not mean that I have a parenthesis here. So that's called priority rules. I should do multiplication and division before I do addition and subtraction.